Isn't it kind of crazy how big this meltdown has been around the XRP community when it comes to Bitcoin maxis, Ethereum maxis, and a lot of these other chains? It's so crazy to me. And you know what? It's something that we have been, preparing for, because we knew that the denial from the Bitcoin side of things, we knew that, the disbelief was definitely there as well. Nobody really wanted to believe the XRP community up until just recently. And now that all of these big gains are happening around the XRP community, they still don't want to believe it. They're in denial. They're even now calling Ripple and XRP scams. The last time I checked, right, in order to be a scam, right, you have to be found guilty of it. And not even the SEC, after over 4 years, could find that Ripple and even XRP were in the wrong and that it was a scam. But we're supposed to believe Bitcoin maxis that don't even know the name of their CEO or what he looks like. They just believe that some false prophet out there is sitting around on massive amounts of money saying, oh, he'll never sell. He's never going to do anything with that amount of Bitcoin, even though they don't even know who he is. Yeah, I'm going to listen to those people, right? That's how big of a joke the Bitcoin maxi community is. They look to people like Michael Saylor to pump their bags for them as well. Welcoming in and embracing centralization of, a coin that was essentially created to escape centralization and escape this, traditional financial system. How comical, right? But regardless of that, we have a lot to address in this video. So welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. Let's dive on in. So this got me thinking here, right? If we go back to 2024, you probably remember this post from March where Laura Shin was talking about crypto zombies. And Dom, the co-founder of EZA app, put out a post saying, expect the same people who called companies like Ripple zombie chains to be talking about their explosive growth soon. At EZA, we are bringing thousands and thousands of new devs to the XRP ledger, with many new projects launching IRL this February. Will be a beauty. And yeah, this is from the Unchained Pod. You guys remember the Unchained Pod? Yeah. This is that account that recently was talking about how XRP has been pumping because of, falsified and essentially speculative post regarding the XRP reserve. This is the same. These are the same people, right? The same exact people that were calling Ripple a zombie chain. Well, the XRP ledger basically a zombie chain, but they called it Ripple. It's so funny how, and by the way, they doubled down. Look at this. Last year, Ripple's XRP ledger earned a mere $583,000 in fees processing transactions across its network, according to Masari. You gotta love these people that are making up nonsense, spreading misinformation. I mean, it's just ridiculous to me. And even over here, we have from Ryan Selkis, XRP is now bigger than Salesforce and approaching Bank of America in market cap. Top 30, U.S. company, twice the value of Uber, bigger than Shopify, PayPal, and MicroStrategy combined, 5 times the size of Coinbase. Ripple's crash and scandals will take down the entire crypto agenda in DC. I mean, what year are we in? Are we back in 2020 when the SEC lawsuit just got announced? When everyone was talking, negatively about XRP? Like, these people are just ridiculous anymore. It feels as though nobody is doing any research. They don't care about facts anymore. And even over here, I said Bitcoin maxis are in complete disbelief by what XRP is doing. Copium is at all-time highs. Because this is a post by a Bitcoin guy, right? XRP is a scam. Banks will never use XRP. They will use some form of USD backed by Bitcoin. Can't make this up. Or just straight up Bitcoin. Let me explain. Right there, I don't care about what he has to say. I don't care about anything that he has to say after this point. Why? Because he doesn't even understand what it means to transact on Bitcoin. Even though he has 10 years of finance industry experience, this is someone that has never transacted on Bitcoin or utilized Bitcoin for transactions in his entire life. And I know that just by this post alone. Because anyone that has transacted on Bitcoin, whether or not you're using Lightning or not, because again, Lightning is also a terrible experience to transact on, you will know that Bitcoin is not going to back anything around finance. Bitcoin is not going to be some magical tool to fix the financial system. Bitcoin will never be utilized for transactions at scale because it just doesn't work. And Lightning is a layer 2 network that has vulnerabilities and is a terrible experience to work with. Most of the transactions fail. Again, the transactions take a while to settle. This is why the Bitcoin maxis continue to target and attack XRP, because XRP has been out since 2012. And since 2012, Ripple has expanded their network, promoting the use of XRP to their clients. And they have proof that XRP is thousands of times more efficient than Bitcoin to utilize for transactional use cases. They are in panic mode. And even over here, we have CoinDesk. This is exactly why. XRP becomes the most traded token on Coinbase as US investors continue to cheer the incoming Trump administration. XRP flipped Bitcoin in terms of trading volume on Coinbase. Now, yes, XRP has been chopping a little bit. It's been selling off. But I'm just showing you guys the facts here. That once we start to see real use here of these projects, once we see this market change from like the whole meme coin stuff, the whole speculation and hype to actual utility, it's very clear on what is going to happen here. But again, you don't even have to take it from me. Look at how salty these Bitcoin maxis actually are. That's all you need to know. Over here, I wonder what they're going to say when this happens. You want to hear something crazy? XRP will take over Ethereum in market cap this year. Only few understand the power of XRP in this cycle. And this is from Dr. Profit Crypto. And you know what? I completely agree with this post. Because when we think about XRP, all right, when we think about XRP, XRP was the only project in this space to actually do exactly what he is saying here. Overtake Ethereum. And you know what? The Bitcoin maxis seem to be admitting this as well. Here we have from Moon Lambo. This is hilarious. He called for XRP going to zero in the past. Now he's calling for XRP to hit $24. And in this video clip, he says a bunch of nonsense that's not true about XRP too. The cope is real. The XRP derangement syndrome is real. Guys, I just talked about this actually the other day on X. And I believe that it was right down, where was it? Right here. I said, make sure to take notice of those who refuse to talk about projects like XRP, HBAR, XDC, XLM, and others, but now can't seem to stop talking about them. There is something to learn from that. Most of these influencers only ride the hype train when it benefits their numbers. Guys, I talked about XRP when it was in the middle of the lawsuit. I talked about XRP when it was at 20 cents, at 30 cents, at 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, and I continue to talk about XRP today because it's one of the most bullish projects in this space. I've talked about HBAR at 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. I will do the same with HBAR. I will do the same with XDC. I will do the same with XLM. These projects, I don't care what they're trading at. They are some of the biggest opportunities that we have as a retail investor to take advantage of. And yeah, when we look at this post, this is Da Vinci Jeremy. You guys know him, right? He told you to buy Bitcoin at $1 in 2011. So he's a pro, right? He's an expert. So he knows XRP is a scam. Yeah, he said XRP to zero. He said XRP is a scam. He will never buy XRP. It's a pump and dump, right? That's what he called it. XRP may hit $24. Well. XRP may hit $20 to $24, but it's not a safe long-term investment for everyone. Trade, but don't hold blindly. What a clown. What a clown. Listen to this.
Okay, so where do I think XRP is going in 2025, since it already pumped to some of my targets that I thought it was going to pump in 2025? It did it to $2, almost $3, and I think it's going to go higher. I do believe XRP can get as high as $20, maybe $24 in this next bull run. However, it's still not a cryptocurrency that I suggest you own or buy. You can trade it and make some money, but it is a cryptocurrency about...
Now, my big problem with this video right now, just off the rip, is why isn't this project a long-term hold? It's been around for 10 years, right? Well over 10 years. It's been in the top 10 since inception as well. That's exactly why I would want to hold XRP long-term. The only reason why people buy and hold Bitcoin long-term is because it's been the #1 crypto project since inception. They don't believe in, Bitcoin outside of that. Most people don't look at Bitcoin as like this, magic money that's always going to go up in value. They look at it as a safe investment because it's been the #1 crypto project forever. When we think about XRP, yeah, a lot of people buy and hold XRP because of, what's happening right now around our financial system, how everything is going digital. But also, a big thing about XRP is also the fact that it's been in the top 10 regardless of every single factor that has hit it, including an SEC lawsuit. XRP never budged out of the top 10. But let's listen closely again.
About the banking system, supporting the banking system for the banking system. Just like the Federal Reserve. They have rules like the Federal Reserve, but all those rules can change at a whim. So if you want to invest in a cryptocurrency that is designed to rob and steal from the people, just like a bank is, go ahead, invest in XRP for the long term.
So wait a second. Invest into XRP because it's going to rob and steal the people just like the Federal Reserve. But wait, aren't these the same people that were celebrating BlackRock launching a Bitcoin ETF? Which, by the way, is basically just paper Bitcoin, which means that technically there could be an infinite amount of Bitcoin out there. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you should do a little bit of research on that. But wait, they're now embracing BlackRock having a Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity having an ETF, all these big players having this Bitcoin ETF. These are Wall Street giants. These are the people that actually rob and steal from retail. They just do it in a different way through, pumping stocks and then dumping on retail. Also, BlackRock is a company that 100% does exactly what Da Vinci is saying here. But wait, all the Bitcoin maxis celebrated when BlackRock had their ETF approved. See, this is the problem with Bitcoin maxis. They think that Bitcoin is some sort of, escape away from all of this. That, Bitcoin will never, be centralized, or Bitcoin will never be controlled by, these external factors. It 100% is controlled today. In fact, if BlackRock wanted to manipulate the price of Bitcoin, they could easily do so. But it's just so shocking that they hate XRP and Ripple so much that they have to spread nonsense like this. This is my #1 problem with this entire industry, is that you have people like this that will continue to just blab about nonsense. No facts backing it up. They don't even, tell you the truth at all. This is crazy to me. But with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely like, subscribe, set notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.